We have another way for displaying icons. We can use icon fonts. These icon fonts are special fonts. So instead of letters like A, B, C, D, they have icons. There's so many icon fonts out there. The most popular ones are Font Awesome, Ionicons, and Material Design Icons. These are the most popular ones. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use Font Awesome. So head over to fontawesome.com. Over here, you can see they have a free plan as well as a pro plan. The free plan gives you about 1,600 icons, and of course, this might change in the future. The pro plan gives you over 7,800 icons. A lot of these icons are really beautiful. So to get started, on the top, go to the Start menu. Here you need to enter your email to create a kit on their website. So earlier, I created a kit before this demo. Here's my kit. So this is the name that is generated for this kit. We can always change it to something more meaningful that reflects the project name. Now here we can change the settings for this kit. So I'm using the free package. In the future, if you want to upgrade to the pro package, all we have to do is to come here, change this to pro, and save the changes. And of course, we have to pay. We can also change the technology behind this. So we can use a web font or SVG. Web font is easier for most people, but if you want more control over the icons, you can use SVG. You can also specify your domains. By default, the link that is generated for this kit can be used on any website, but you might want to upload your own logo or your own icons to be included in this kit. Then you might want to come here and apply a limit. So you can say this kit can only be used on this particular domain. Okay. So these are some of the settings we can set here. Now to use this kit, on the top, we go to how to use. First, we have to add this script element in the head section of our HTML code. So let's copy this line. Now, back to our markup. Here in the head section, we can add the script element. Now, back to this page. Once we add this script element, then we can choose one or more icons. So here you can see some of these icons. You can also search for them. For example, let's search for user. As you can see, they have over 500 user icons. The ones that are grayed out are part of the pro package. So in this lesson, we're only going to look at the free icons. We can always filter them. So they have 100 free icons for users. I'm going to use this icon. So on this page, you can see how this icon looks in the solid style. They also have the regular style where the icon is kind of empty, but this is only available on the pro package. They also have light version and duotone, which gives you an icon with two different colors. So we're going to go with the solid version. Now, to use this icon, all we have to do is to add this line of code in our HTML markup. So I'm going to copy this. Now, here in the body element, let's paste the code. So we have an I element with these two classes. The first class is FAS, which is short for Font Awesome Solid because we're using the solid style. The second class is FA, which is short for Font Awesome, followed by the name of the icon. So if you save the changes, we get this user icon. Now, if in the future we want to change this icon to something else, let's say a bell icon, all we have to do is to change the name of this class. So now we have a bell icon. We can also change the size and color of this icon. So Font Awesome provides a number of utility classes. For example, we have FA-2X. This will make this icon twice relative to the font size of its parent. So now it's twice bigger. Now to better control the size and color of this icon, we can wrap it inside a span with a particular class. Let's say icon. Now we go to our style sheet and define a rule. And here we set the font size to, let's say 2 rem and the color to Dodger blue. So now this I element inherits the font size and color properties of its parent. So we get this beautiful blue icon. Now earlier I told you that the I element in HTML is deprecated because in the past we used this for making text italic. But as you have learned in this course, HTML shouldn't be used for styling. It should only be used for structuring our web pages. That is why the I element is deprecated and is considered non-semantic. But a lot of people are using the I element for their icons, and this is an accepted practice. However, If you don't like to use the I element, you can always use HeySpan. That is totally fine. So now we get the same result as before. So this is all about Font Awesome. I leave it up to you to read their documentation to learn more.